One way to get herbs into your body is through your skin. Our skin is one way to get herbs into our body is through our skin. This is an infused oil. So I have Queen Anne's lace in here and olive oil. Let's see what I put on the label. Lobelia, oat straw, comfrey, and like I said, olive oil. I'm straining it right now. Here's my nice handy strainer. And I'm going to be turning this into an ointment with beeswax. Here's my beeswax. So I have to melt the beeswax first, and then you add the infused oil. So the herb properties have gone into the olive oil. And now we actually are applying something that is nutritive and medicinal to our skin, which is an organ. Most of us are clogging our skin with chemicals and all kinds of toxins because most of the products that you buy are filled with them. And there it is, beautiful golden ointment. Olive oil, herbs, beeswax infused. Strengthen the skin, the vein structure under the skin. Reduces varicose veins. This is what this formula is for.